Hi everybody, my name is Ruby and I am with Lime Life by Alcone, and today in this video I'm going to be highlighting our new color press powder from Lime Life. And so I'm going to be showing you guys as well the steps that I use when applying the foundation and powders. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over my face, and I'm going to go ahead and dust off any excess powder that's still remaining on my face. Now this step here, I do it after moisturizing and before applying my foundation. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation, which is in the color Shinto 3. Our foundation from Lime Life is a wax-based foundation. It is 50% pigment. It does not clog your pores. It definitely provides full coverage. Less is more, ladies. So I'm going to go ahead and just dab this onto my skin. I'm really trying to avoid wiping or swiping it all over my face. I'm going to be using the pressing motion. Just dab it into my skin. Just look at the difference from one side to another. Amazing. I know, I love this foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the other side of my face. As I mentioned, I'm just dabbing it into my skin. Our foundation is very phenomenal, especially for those who have acne issues, because it does not clog your pores. It just sits on top of your skin. It really mimics your skin. It's not going to aggravate or irritate any current acne issues that you guys have presently at the moment when applying or using our foundation. So this is what I'm actually trying to achieve, is more of a light to medium coverage. And just look at that. Just very little foundation, I was able to achieve a medium coverage of a face. Check out our new color press powders. I'm so excited. I've been waiting and so eager to use it and share it with you guys. So I dab my brush into my palette oh so lightly, and I'm just dabbing it onto my skin. Dab, 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 press it into my skin. And with a very light hand, I'm gonna go ahead and dust off any excess powder that's just sitting on my face. I'm going to go ahead and do that to the other side as well. I'm going to lightly dab it into my palette, and I'm going to go ahead and apply to the other side of my face. You guys, our color press powder is amazing. It is finely milled, so you do not have to worry about it looking cakey on your skin. It was created by Christian Dior in France. Talk about, it is very luxurious. So it definitely is a matte finish with a satin texture, and as I mentioned, you guys are going to be walking around with a filter on your face. Bye-bye filters. So that color that I use is the number 6, which is the color Fawn. Now I'm using number 1, which is called Sunny Days, and I'm only applying it very lightly under my eyes just to help brighten up my eyes. Now I've never done this before because I've always felt that when I use light color powders underneath my eyes, it tends to age me a little bit, which I was really trying to avoid. But I put it to the test, and all day I waited to see what the results were at the end of the day, and I am very, very pleased. Now I'm using the number 9, which is the color Capuchino, to contour my face. I'm going to go ahead and just press it in and lightly just go around in my forehead, around the temples, just to contour my face very lightly. Now, you can definitely purchase a trio palette, as I did, and have a facial powder, a highlight powder, and a contouring powder. Our powders are amazing. Our foundation is amazing. Our powders are, everything from Lime Life is amazing. I'm just really excited. So next, what we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and use a spray for my face. Now the one that I'm currently using is the Oil Strike Makeup Finish Setting Spray. This one lasts up to 16 hours. So if, let's just say you have a little bit of powder still sitting on your face that you missed, when you apply the setting spray, it just literally melts it into your skin and it makes everything look seamless. So I'm going to go ahead and allow that to dry. Next, I'll be applying a little bit of our lip gloss from Lime Life, which is in the color Love. Now, this is our perfect lip gloss, which has a little convenient mirror on the side, so when you need to touch up throughout the day and you can't find your compact, do not worry. Our very glamorous, sparkly lip gloss has a convenient mirror just as so. So this is it, you guys. If you guys can see my results, the face, there's no filter on my photos. I am just in love with this powder, the foundation. If you guys need help, let me know. I am here to help you guys and guide you guys. Thanks for watching.